Shilpa's tearjerker. Shilpa Shetty's meltdown over sleaze. Confronts husband, says he brought shame. Kundra's made erotica, not porn defense. Pati, Patni or porn.
India Today has now scooped details of what happened when Crime Branch took Raj Kundra to his Juhu residence and brought him face-to-face with his wife Shilpa Shetty. The police say that Shilpa Shetty broke down after seeing Kundra and shouted at him for bringing shame to the family.
They are Tinseltown's power couple. But a porn scandal has rocked their life. It was the ill-fated night of July 18. Raj Kundra was put behind bars after grilling by the cops. And since then, the porn scandal has only become bigger and each day is a new nightmare for the couple. Raj Kundra was seen as the director of this dirty picture, and questions were raised about his wife Shilpa's involvement in the case. And Crime Branch officials did come to question Shilpa at her Juhu residence. And along with them, they brought her husband, Raj Kundra. It was expected that emotions would flare up as Shilpa was seeing her husband after almost a week. And the Bollywood diva indeed had a meltdown. Yelling at her husband, Raj, she screamed, "Why did you do this?" A deeply emotional Shilpa told Raj that the case has brought shame to the family and this has affected the business as investors have now started backing off. A distraught Raj Kundra retorted, "I am innocent and the case against me doesn't stand." He went on to say that he never made porn but only erotic films. Shilpa did buy Raj's defense and told the cops that her husband was not making porn films. During the 6 hours questioning, the Bollywood diva mentioned that porn and erotica are different. She also pointed out towards extremely sleazy content on many OTT platforms and web series. Shilpa denied any involvement in the case and claimed that she has nothing to do with Kundra's app Hot Shots. The cops recorded her statement and said that they couldn't find any evidence against her and won't question her again, at least for now. The cops in a way have given Shilpa a clean chit, but allegations against her husband Raj Kundra are only mounting. Tears, family drama and raging porn scandal probe. This is no less than a Bollywood film itself. With Saurav Vaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
The Kundra porn scandal probe has intensified. The finances of Shilpa Shetty and Rajesh Kundra are now under the scanner. The police have appointed as financial auditor to look into the money trail, which allegedly runs from United Kingdom to India and linked to a cricket betting racket as well. Kundra has also been sent to 14-day judicial custody. Here's more.
The sleazy saga of Raj Kundra's dirty picture unravels. As the porn scandal explodes, Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra's finances are now under the scanner. Mumbai Police Crime Branch has now appointed a financial auditor to scan the business tycoon's money trail. Sources in the crime branch have pointed to allegedly shady financial transactions running into crores of rupees. Money was first transferred to Kenrin, a UK-based firm which brought Kundra's porn app Hot Shots. The money was routed to India to different accounts. The crime branch also alleges that an online cricket betting company also credited money to Raj Kundra's bank account. The investigators have claimed transactions were made into different accounts, one of which is co-owned by Raj Kundra and his wife, actor Shilpa Shetty. That's not all. Mumbai police claim Kundra had dumped his mobile phone when the porn ring was busted in February and handed a new phone that was brought in March to the investigators. The old phone could have helped cops gain access to all call details, messages, videos and images. All that could have proved to be incriminating evidence linked to the pawn racket.
Crime branch sources are also telling that after this case and after the hotshot got shut down, Raj Kundra's plan B was ready. He was busy in making different contents.
A lot of evidence related to the pawn scandal have been recovered in search of operations by the crime branch. But cops maintain Raj Kundra is not cooperating and has been evasive on his involvement in the pawn film business. Kundra has even filed a plea in the Bombay High Court, alleging he was arrested without being summoned. Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, trouble mounts for celebrity businessman Raj Kundra, who continues to remain at the centre of a scandalous pawn ring. The crime branch has now summoned actor Sherlyn Chopra, who alleges that she worked with Kundra's firm to produce adult content. After things turned sour, the actor registered a theft and cheating complaint against Kundra. Her questioning in the case might join the missing dots for the probe agencies.
A seedy pornography scandal with its root in Mumbai. A celebrity businessman with international links. The involvement of Tinseltown starlets. Raj Kundra's troubles are mounting by the day. Actors who were involved with his shady business are now at the center of the probe by Mumbai police. The Mumbai crime branch has summoned actor Sherlyn Chopra on Tuesday. Sherlyn Chopra, who acts in adult films, accused Kundra of theft and cheating. Sherlyn reportedly had a contract with Raj Kundra's firm, Arms Prime Media, to provide adult content for some apps based outside India. The actor claims that she was promised 50% of the takings but never received any money.
As Sherlyn Chopra plays victim in the pawn scandal against Raj Kundra and others, she herself is moving for anticipatory in a separate case filed by Mumbai Cyber Cell against her. This case is for adult content. She herself has recorded a statement earlier with the Cyber Cell. She might not appear before the Mumbai crime branch on Tuesday for statement.
In February, Sherlyn even alleged that Raj Kundra had even tried to push her into full-fledged pornography shoots. The actor at that time was summoned by Mumbai police to record her statement.
जब मुझे समन्स नोटिस भेजी गई थी महाराष्ट्र साइबर सेल के द्वारा मार्च 2021 में साइबर सेल के ऑफिस पर जाकर मैंने अपना निष्पक्ष बयान दिया.
The actor reportedly worked with Kundra to produce adult content, but things turned bitter and they fell out. Her questioning by Mumbai police could lead to joining the dots in the whole scandal. With Vidya and Saurabh Vakhtania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, as Raj Kundra's pawn ring explodes, several actors, models and now a YouTuber has come out to expose Raj Kundra's dark business secrets. From Sherlyn Chopra to Poonam Pandey, all have made some sensational revelations.
Sleazy photo shoots, actresses lured for a break in Bollywood, and then porn videos uploaded on an app. This is Raj Kundra's dirty picture, and it is completely exposed now. Actresses Poonam Pandey, Sherlyn Chopra, Sagarika Suman, YouTuber Puneet Kaur. One after the other, these divas have hit out at Shilpa Shetty's husband, and the list is only growing. Believe it or not, both Poonam Pandey and Sherlyn Chopra were booked in the same pornography case for which Kundra is behind bars. Sources tell India Today that statements of Poonam and Sherlyn have been recorded and they have made stunning claims against the businessman. Sherlyn allegedly had a contract with Raj Kundra's firm, Arms Prime Media, to provide pornographic content for some app-based companies outside India. She alleges she was promised 50% profit, which was never given. In February, she is alleged to have given a statement as to how Raj Kundra had pushed her into full-fledged porn. Poonam Pandey narrates a similar story as Sherlyn. She even moved Bombay High Court in 2019, filing a case against Kundra, alleging they used content featuring her even when the contract had been terminated, and even accused Kundra of leaking her phone number.
अगर राज कुंद्रा मेरे साथ ऐसा कर सकता है, मैं तो भी एक नॉन पर्सनालिटी हूँ, तो औरों के साथ क्या हो रहा होगा? मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, दरख्वास्त करूँगी उन सारी लड़कियों से कि आप प्लीज़ बाहर आएं, और अगर आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ है तो आप आवाज़ उठाएं।
A YouTuber called Puneet Kaur has also called out Raj Kundra. In her Instagram story, she says that Kundra had messaged her about his erotic app, Hot Shots. She ignored it, thinking it was spam.
You know where we're going. We're going to Hot's World, folks. Hot.
I don't think you said it right.
Hot's World.
Hot, it's Hot Shots.
No.
Do you know English?
Model Sagarika Shona Suman claims she was asked to give a nude audition for a video by Kundra's company.
मुझे वेब सीरीज के लिए ऑफर आया था, बट जब उन्होंने डिमांड किया कि आपको ऑडिशन देना होगा, तो मैंने कहा कि अभी कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो ऑडिशन कैसे, मैं वीडियो बना के भेज देती हूँ आपको। तो उन लोगों ने मना कर दिया था। जब उनका कॉल आया था तो वो लोग उन्होंने जो उनका पहला वर्ड था, उन्होंने कहा आपको न्यूड ऑडिशन देना होगा। तो मैं समझ चुकी थी कि वो लोग किस चीज़ के लिए डिमांड कर रहे हैं।
Serious allegations against Shilpa Shetty's husband, accusing him of sleaze. But there are some who have supported the tainted business tycoon.
मुझे राज ने कभी फोर्स नहीं किया। मुझे वही पेमेंट दी गई जो मैं डिजर्व करती थी, जिसके लायक थी मैं, और मुझे उससे कोई इशू नहीं थे। ठीक है, मुझे कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं था, मुझे कभी सेट पे कोई परेशानी नहीं की गई। मैंने बहुत अच्छे से काम किया है और बहुत अच्छे से फंड रिलीज किया।
Controversy queen Rakhi Sawant too backed Shilpa's husband.
राज कुंद्रा जी एक अच्छे बिजनेसमैन और एक समाज सेविका हैं, और वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं। He's a legend.
So is Raj Kundra the director of this dirty picture? Kundra has denied any role, but the proof is mounting as more women are speaking out against Shilpa Shetty's husband. Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, at the center of the porn ring scandal, the Hot Shots app, it was on this app that Raj Kundra allegedly hosted explicit content. The app was developed by Arms Prime Media that was created in 2019. Kundra was the director of the company. He later transferred the app and the company to his brother-in-law.
Raj Kundra, a celebrity businessman, now arrested for allegedly running a porn racket. He is being accused of making and selling pornographic material using digital apps. The investigation dates back to 2020. Kundra was booked for producing and creating porn content by the Maharashtra Cyber Police last year. The state police had booked multiple OTT platforms, which included Kundra's application Hot Shots. Hot Shots was developed by Arms Prime Media and was later sold to UK-based Kenrin Films. Cyber Police had arrested a photographer and a woman working as creative director for Arms Prime. Kundra was given interim bail in the case then. Hot Shots application has now been removed from Google and Apple App Store. The application's digital traces reveal that it offered HD videos and short movies with what it claimed to have unmatched exposure. The app also promised private content from hot photo shoots, short movies, and experience of the lifestyle of celebrities from all over the world. Some social media posts reveal contests were held that enabled users to vote for their favorite models. Mumbai police claims actors were forced to shoot nude and semi-nude films.
It was observed during the investigation that some small-time artists were lured into giving break in some web series or some short stories. They were called for auditions and were asked to give some bold scenes, which later on translated into semi-nudity and complete nude scenes also, which was against their wishes. So some of these victims, they approached Crime Branch Mumbai. We registered the offence and investigated. During investigation, we found out that there were many such apps which were operating in this cyber world.
Kundra has been denying the charges and says he has been made a scapegoat in the case. The police, however, claim to be building a watertight case around him. Bureau Report, India Today.
Raj Kundra is no stranger to controversy, from being grilled in the 2013 IPL betting scandal to being accused in 24 lakh cheating case. Shilpa Shetty's husband has been in the news for all the wrong reasons.
A business tycoon and husband of Bollywood diva Shilpa Shetty, Raj Kundra is in the news for all the wrong reasons once again. Arrested in a B-grade Bollywood porn ring, Raj Kundra is no stranger to controversies. The business tycoon had landed in a row in February last year when actor Poonam Pandey filed a criminal case against him. The actor, known for her bold scenes, had claimed that Raj Kundra had deliberately leaked her number on a video app. Poonam Pandey had earlier entrusted Kundra's company to build a platform promoting her videos. The former owner of Rajasthan Royals, the IPL franchise, was questioned by the Delhi police in 2013 in connection with a cricket betting and spot fixing ring. 3 players of Rajasthan Royals, including pacer S. Sreesanth, were arrested for throwing matches by deliberate bad bowling and getting payoffs from bookies. In April 2017, a case was registered against Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra in an alleged 24 lakh rupees cheating case. The couple was accused of duping a textile firm. The owner of the firm filed a case, saying the duo collected the amount on his behalf and did not pay him back. Raj Kundra was grilled by the Enforcement Directorate in October 2019 in a money laundering case linked to gangster Iqbal Mirchi. ED probed the role of Kundra in illegally dealing in properties of Mirchi, a close aide of fugitive terrorist and Mumbai blast mastermind Dawood Ibrahim. The Enforcement Directorate had then revealed that the money laundering involved was allegedly to the tune of 200 crore rupees. Mumbai police now claims that it has enough evidence against Kundra and has named him the key conspirator in the fresh pornography scandal. Bureau Report, India Today.
With that, we're going to go into a quick break. To stay with us on the other side, news and updates continue.